Hey, it's Tim, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk, and in this video I'm talking to you about this decked toolbox. Now, before you ask any questions, Deck did not pay me to do this video. I don't have some discount code for you to save 10%. They just said, do you want to check it out? I said yes, they sent it. Pretty simple, right? So this is their new toolbox. You may know Deck is this company. They have those in the bed and they have the drawers that pull out so you can store stuff. Well, they had this new idea for a toolbox. I've had this thing for a couple months now and it's pretty damn sweet. So a few things before we got too far is that, and I have my notes here, is that it's got a lid. It's steel reinforced injection molded resin. The base of it looks like plastic. It's not, mostly. It's injection molded impact treated high density polyethylene. So it's a better version of plastic, not gonna break. So they'd say that this is waterproof, very durable, and very secure. When you do lock it, they actually have video of a guy using a crowbar and he can't open it. And they take a sledgehammer and beat on it. So I'm not gonna do it with mine, but I'm gonna go ahead and say it's probably pretty secure, pretty durable, right? But a few things I like about it is right here. Easy to open, right? I'll drop my notes. Easy to open, and it's a pretty heavy piece of equipment, 113 pounds, but this is the cool part. Move the camera and let me show you this toolbox comes with it. So here's the cool part. Grab this thing. Comes with a handy toolbox. This thing's pretty cool. So as you can see, it's got a bolt diameter. It's got a tape measure on it. Some of the cool things. Heavy duty. I mean, this thing is solid. I got a strap here, or a grab handle there. Open it up and check out how deep this is. This thing holds a lot of stuff. And it comes with the toolbox, and there are spots here, and there are little spots here where it hangs. And you can see where it hangs. And so it hangs so you don't like have to bend down here to get it out of your truck. It sits up high. Even I can grab it at 5 foot nothing. But there's another thing, that right over there. Let me show you what that is. Okay, I don't know about you, but I'm about as tall as my truck is. And while I can put my foot on the tire and get in here, or go in the back, get in here, in the toolbox, I can't reach all the way down to the bottom. So Deck came up with a system of a ladder. Okay, so this ladder comes up. It goes like this, and then you can angle it how you want to. And then have it against the truck, or you can lean it out, whatever way you want to do. There is padding behind here, I'll show you. And that keeps the paint from getting the marring on the paint, so that way you don't scratch it up. But you just take this and voila, there you go. You're inside the truck. Now, all right, I'm north of 200 pounds and feels fairly secure to me. Doesn't feel like I'm gonna break it. Really secure in the bottom. Hard quality. I kind of like it. So, you know, I mean, I've had my tie downs in here. I've had my hitch in there, and it's nice. I can just reach in there and get it. Simple, easy. Okay. So now when I put it back, there's little tabs here and here. I just put it back in place. And there's room below it, so that way your ladder's not taking up the whole toolbox. Let's go ahead and show that angle. Oh, and one other thing I thought about is that I have this F-150 with the power on board. So check it out. So if I drop the tailgate like this, I have tools, I have power, that's an onboard generator, and I have workbench with clamps to clamp down my wood to work. So, I mean, that's pretty damn awesome. Like I said, the ladder fits in there. Things can go below it. It's kind of nice how they built it so that way it doesn't use that much space in there. I have 2 D-ring hooks, so I can do tie downs back here as well. This attaches. It's got little, like a V clamp here. So you clamp it in, and then there's bolts there and there, so you can bolt it down. Once you tighten that down, it doesn't move. It hasn't moved in 2 months. I mean, I can't even move that thing at all. What's I want to say about this? I said it closes really nice. It's got big hinges. Made in USA. Big bonus there. And there you go. Pretty nice, pretty solid. So, and you can even handle my weight. So you can sit back here, have a beer, because, yeah, a can of beer will fit there, really nice. Or after a long day at work, you can sit back here and take it in your work, because that's what you want to do when you get finished doing a job. So this deck system, this toolbox, $850. Without the ladder, it's $699. But I looked up online, unless you go real cheap on toolboxes, this is actually pretty comparatively priced and pretty competitive to some of the higher dollar ones I found on some work truck sites. So if you're doing a lot of work back here and you want to have something pretty sturdy, like I do, something's going to last, not break on me, not be cheap, this toolbox is hard to beat. And that's just me talking about it. Not getting paid, don't have links for you. I just want to give you my viewpoint. I've had this a couple months. I've never been a big toolbox kind of guy, but I have started storing stuff back here. It definitely gives me more options, so I don't keep stuff in the truck. When the kids get in, they don't have to mess around with like worrying about where their feet are going to go with tie down and stuff like that. So a good option. Check them out, decked.com. There you go. More cool stuff. Check this video out over here. Website down below. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road.